Computer love. Do, 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 do. How's it going? Martin Ross here, and today we're going to learn how to play Computer Love, famed by the legendary Zapp and Roger Troutman, with my favorite singer, Charlie Wilson, defines today and the future, just the way the lyrics were written. It's an amazingly written song, and this is heavily requested. Before we start, I please ask that you check out the links in the description. Also, if you like the video, hit a like, leave a comment if you have any questions. Also, subscribe, click the bell, most important, share to somebody that might want to learn this song. All right, so let's talk about it. All right, so we're going to learn how to play Zapp and Rogers' Computer Love. Now, I'm strictly going by ear. This is my ear. This is not the gospel, so please understand that I'm just showing you what I know. All right, so I'm going to use the G minor scale. The G minor scale consists of G, A sharp, C, D, D sharp, F, and G. So an octave. So just stay within those scales. You'll be all right. So here we go. I'll do it a little slower. All right. All right. So let's hit the first part of it is the hook itself, Computer Love. The notes that I'm using is A sharp, C, and D, and it goes like this. Computer Love. And then I use the vibrato to kind of get that, singing sound. Here we go. So do it again, a little bit slower. Computer Love. So the next part is a shooby-doo bop and the doo-wah. I'll do that all in one, utilizing the same notes, A sharp, C, D, and then I'm going to add a D sharp and an F, and this is what it would sound like. Shooby-doo-bop, shoo-doo-bop, I wanna love you. Shooby-doo-bop, my computer love. There is a part in the beginning where he goes da 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 da. So I'm gonna go do 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 do. And the notes that I'm playing, I'm going down the scale, starting with the A sharp, then it goes to A, then F, and then D. Speaking of the scales, let's do a scale run. So when he's talking about my computer love, when he's doing the doo-wahs, we're gonna use C, D, D sharp, F, and we're gonna stop at F and work our way back down to the A sharp there. And it goes like this. My computer love. Again, it may not be right, but this is how I would play it. So you get to decide how you want to play it. All right, so let's get to the juicy part. The juicy part is the verse. So I'm going down the scale, starting on the A sharp. I go A sharp, A, G, F, D, C. I'm probably going to utilize that D sharp and the A sharp at the end there, down the octave. So I'm going to do my best to do it slow. I do apologize if I'm too fast. I just get in the moment and I'm like, ooh, this is fun. You know I've been searching for someone who could share that special love with me. And your eyes have that glow. Could it be your face I see on my computer screen? All right, so another part is the pitch bend where he'll kind of go, oh, right. You want to start on D, and then the main note that I want to make sure I bend is D. I'm going to bend D to the word tonight, and then I'm going to go C and then A sharp. So C, D, A sharp, D sharp, F. Those are the notes I'm going to use. So here we go. Oh, won't you keep me warm tonight? Yes, such a sweet delight. All right, and there you have it. By special request, I get this. I always get asked to play this song, so I'm literally going off of what I remember when I perform the song. So if I missed a few things, just remember follow that G minor scale. You can't go wrong. I gave you a bunch of the chunky parts that I had to work hard on to figure out, but once you understand where to go, you'll probably feel your way through. So if you've gotten this far in the video, please Go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, hit the subscribe button, click the bell. If you like these kind of videos, it'll go right to your device, tell you, hey, Martin uploaded something. Also, share this to somebody who wants to actually learn the song, play it. If you don't know or have no idea on how to play this or what I'm doing, share it to somebody you know that might want to know. So this is Martin Ross teaching you how to play Computer Love by Zapp and Roger. Y'all take care.